Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to do these problems with the actual tiles. So this last section here is telling you to try these on your desk with tiles. So here are a bunch of tiles, and when I go to do x plus 3 times x plus 2, you're going to want to get a product mat right here. If you don't have a product mat, then just draw lines on a piece of paper. It's not a big deal. So there we go. So the first polynomial, x plus 3, is going to go on the top. So x is positive, that's your x. And then you have a 3. Here's x plus 3, just like this. And that's on the top. And then on the side, you're going to have an x plus 2. So I'm going to put an x right here, and 2 right here. And now we're going to multiply that together just like we would a multiplication table. So x times x, well, that's x squared. And look at that, this beautiful x squared just fits right there in that little corner. And then I'm going to do this one. That would be 1 times x. Well, 1 times x is just x. And we do that 2 more times. 1 times x goes right here. So then there's 3 x's there. And now let's do this one. So this would be 1 times x again. So I'm going to put another x, but this time it's going to lay horizontally. And then this one, 1 times x, is another x. And then I'm going to have space now for my 1's tile. So this spot is 1 times 1. And if you look, all of them are 1 times 1. So this whole row is 1 times 1, which is just going to give us more 1's, just like this. And then this next row, same thing. 1 times 1 is 1. And then another 1 times 1 is 1. And then one more, 1 times 1. So then my answer is right here. So we have a little kitty in our shot. So my answer is x squared plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So x squared plus 5x plus 6 is the first one. Okay? Now the next one, let's do b together, and then you can try some on your own. So the next one, b, it says x minus 3. Since x minus 3, I'm going to flip these over so that they're red. So x minus 3, and then x plus 2. I already have the x plus 2 here. So same thing, x times x is x squared. Negative 1 now times x. Well, now that's negative x. And I do that 2 more times. Negative 1 times x, negative 1 times x. So we have 2 more negative tiles here. So now they're red. And then this is going to be just the same, right? 1 times x is positive x. 1 times x, another positive x. And now these are where my 1's tiles are going to go, but I'm doing negative 1 times positive 1 in all of these spaces. So that's going to give us 6 negatives. So then when you go to simplify this, you have x squared minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. But if you think about it, these red ones, these 2 red ones, will cancel out these 2 green ones. So you're really left with x squared minus x minus 6. And that's your answer. So now that you've seen that, stop the video, come back, and I'll show you the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. Make sure you've done them right. And since you stuck with me this whole time, you get to see a puppy. Come here, baby. Come here, puppy. Okay, puppy time. As the new puppy. What do you guys think? This is, I think, Atlas. Hello. All right, so you guys are ready to finish your homework. Good luck. Bye-bye.